Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Luxalgo. Luxalgo is an AI trading and charting platform. Their AI turns plain language into live back-tested strategies backed by the largest indicator library in trading. And I've covered many of their own premium features in the past on my channel. Go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to Luxalgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 45% off their premium features. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out Luxalgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're almost at 11,000 members in here, so thank you to everyone that's joined our Discord. Now let's get right into today's video. So today, I want to talk about another new feature Robinhood just released that lets you use AI to scan for stocks on Robinhood. So let's just get straight to it here. The first thing we need to do here is we need to head on over to Robinhood Legend. So how do we get to Robinhood Legend? We click on this button at the top that says Robinhood Legend. This will take us over to the Robinhood Legend platform. So once we're on Robinhood Legend, we are going to start from scratch here. And we're going to start by adding a widget here. So this new feature combines two different features, which I would say are both relatively new on their own. So firstly, we need to click on Scanner here. So you click on Add Widget, then the widgets that are available show up, and then you click on Scanner here. So again, this is a relatively new widget that was released, and I just talked about it a few months ago here. So what I'm going to start by doing here is I'm going to expand the widget here right there. So let's go this way, and then let's make it taller here so that it takes up the whole screen. So here we have our scanner widget. So what is this Robinhood Legend scanner used for? So this scanner allows you to filter the market in real time by applying custom technical and fundamental criteria. So if you click on Add Filters, you can see all the filters available here. Things like PE ratios, market cap, RSI, implied volatility. You can use these to identify stocks, crypto, or futures that match your trading strategy. So it is designed to help you quickly narrow down thousands of assets to a manageable list of opportunities that fit your exact trading criteria. So let me show you a quick example. Let's say you're looking for stocks whose options may have high premiums. So you would need to find stocks that have high implied volatility for that. So how do you find them? You could use the scanner. You could come into the filter box here and type in IV. And then we see here the at the money implied volatility filter. If we click on it, we could look for stocks that have high implied volatility. And then thus their options will have high implied volatility and have higher premiums. So you could say, implied volatility here greater than 100%, for example. We would apply this, and now we see stocks here who have that ATM IV greater than 100%. And then you could go into these stocks, take a look at the options, see if they have high premiums. And of course, now you have narrowed your list down quite a bit. So Robinhood has combined this feature now with AI, specifically Robinhood Cortex. So to help you here with custom scans. So to use Robinhood Cortex, you do need to be a Robinhood Gold member. Also keep in mind, they may be rolling out this feature slowly, meaning you may not have access to it yet. But let me show you how you would use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to new scan here. And notice that at the top right, we see this new button here that says Cortex. So when I hover over that, it says create AI powered indicator. And so if you see this button, you have access to it. If you don't, you either don't have access to it yet or you're not a Robinhood Gold member. But let's go ahead and click on this button. So as you can see on the left here, Robinhood Cortex opened up. So let's read what it says here first. So welcome back. Looking to scan for something specific today. Here are a few examples. Click one or type your own. So you can use very natural language here for this. For example, show me breakout stocks with high volume. Or you can be a little bit more direct and give it specific values. Filter by RSI below 30 and market cap above 1 billion. So these are just examples here. You can click on these and it's going to go ahead and build that custom scan for you. Or you can come to the bottom here and you can type your own prompt here for the custom scan that you want. So let's try a real example here. So I'm going to start with one that's a little bit more direct. I'm going to go and say, show me stocks with a market cap over, let's say, 2 billion. And then I'm going to do RSI below, let's say, 38. And price within 3% of the 50-day simple moving average. So let's try this. Let's go ahead and let's send this here. And let's see what Robinhood Cortex creates for us here. So this example scan is going to identify mid to large cap companies that have seen recent downward momentum and are currently testing their 50-day moving average. So it looks for statistical pullbacks where price deviations from the intermediate trend line may signal an area of technical interest. So this is just an example I'm using here. And so as you can see, now we have a custom scan. And on the left, Robinhood Cortex is explaining to us exactly what it did and why. So notice here right on the right, we see some results here. As you can see, it actually named this scan for us, mid-cap RSI near SMA 50. And then as you can see, it added a bunch of filters for us. So it said market cap greater than 2 billion, RSI less than or equal to 38, price near the 50-day simple moving average. So within 3%, that's exactly what we told it. And then it filtered to just stocks. So you, like I mentioned, you could have filtered ETFs, crypto, futures. Let's leave it as stocks here. So you can always get rid of these filters, or you could add more filters here if needed by coming in here and doing add filter. But as you can see, we have 11 results here. Now, Robinhood Cortex here is explaining to us what it did and why. So it can be used to find stocks with a market cap over 2 billion, showing slightly oversold momentum and trading close to the 50-day moving average. So here's how it defined the filters. Market cap over 2 billion. So that's pretty self-explanatory. RSI below 38 to find stocks with slightly oversold momentum. Price within 3% of 50-day SMA. So it looks for stocks trading within 3% above or below their 50-day simple moving average, indicating prices near this key trend level. So you can take a look at the results. And if we need to tweak this, we can follow up here, right? So you could come in here, I don't know, let's say you wanted to say add volume greater than, $1 million here, for example, right? You could follow up here and then it should be able to append that filter here as well. So as you can see, it's updating the scan here to include a filter for volume. So now as you can see, it filtered for volume greater than 1 million here. Now, If you want to take a look at your history, you can do that here as well on the left, this top left button here. You should be able to see your recent history here, or you can click on new here to start a brand new scan. So I'm going to do another quick scan here, and I'm going to use more natural language type prompts that don't have specific numbers or are more ambiguous. So let's do something like show me some big name stocks that are flirting with their yearly highs and seeing a sudden surge in trading volume compared to normal. So you see how that's more natural sounding. We're not specific, explicitly giving it hard values or anything like that. We're just being more generic here. So let's go ahead and let's see what it gives us for this. So again, I'm going to send this prompt to Robinhood Cortex, and it's going to start building this scan for us here. So let's see what it did. So it built again a brand new scan here. This is going to be used to find big name stocks trading close to the yearly highs and experiencing a surge in trading volume compared to their usual activity. So here's what it did. So close to 52-week high, stocks trading within 5% of their highest price over the past year. And it tells you what part of your prompt that will match to. Relative volume above 1.5. So today's trading volume is at least 1.5 times the 30-day average volume, indicating a surge in trading activity. Market cap above 10 billion, stocks only. So as you can see, it found 9 different stocks here. Now, of course, you should verify this information independently. Make sure it's accurate. Don't just take Robinhood Cortex word for it here. Make sure the information it's giving you, the stocks you're seeing, they actually meet that criteria. But this now provides a great starting point. It's filtered it down a lot to just 9 different stocks here that we can look into for this criteria. And so we can start here and narrow it down even more ourselves. So there you guys have it. This is custom scans by Robinhood Cortex. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Now I'll see you guys next time.